What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. I'm here today to share a Five Below haul. So let's go ahead and hop right into my haul. You guys, it seems like I'm always buying things from Five Below, but I'm not managing very well showing you guys what I get from there because everything they have is so much fun, or you're ready to wear it right away or play with it right away, like some of these toys. This is a little squishy that Birdy got for just $1 at Five Below, and I just love these. I know they've been around for forever, but this is one of Birdy's. We have a few more in our collection. I think a couple in green and one also in orange, but these are some of the awesome things that you can find at Five Below. And here is something Birdy actually got for her birthday. Do you guys remember my Five Below haul? $5 birthday gifts for Birdy video? This is one of the items that I got for Birdy's birthday, and she painted it really nice. It was solid white when she got it. Again, this is the 3D squishy kit. They have a couple other squishies that you can get, but I really love how she painted it, and it dried really nice. I think it took about 12 hours or so for it to fully dry. So she just painted it with the paint that it came with, and then she just set it down and let it dry, and she is really happy with the final product, and I think it really does look like a real donut, so I think she did a great job. Five Below has a really nice variety of slime making kits for girls and boys, and some of them are really targeted towards boys because I know a lot of the little brothers love slime too, so they really came up with a lot of different designs to where the slime is like, you know, gooey, or it's like, you know, dinosaur spit or snot or whatever. Like, they really came up with some boy themes for a lot of these slimes and slime kits, but they also have everything you need for making your own slime, like this $5 bottle of washable clear glue. Birdy recently got this, and then she also bought this big bag of borax powder, which is something you need for making slime. This is a 1-pound bag, and this was also just $5. You guys are probably wondering what you're looking at right now, and I'm gonna scoot the camera back a little bit so you guys can see these a little bit better. But have you guys ever seen those Dino World Mega Grow eggs? Well, this is what's inside of them. We got 3 of the Dino World Mega Grow eggs for $3 each, and I have to show you guys just how big these are. You guys, these are so big and so heavy, I can't even believe it. Let me show you guys the first one. This is the mermaid, and when she first hatched out of her egg, she was about this big and maybe about this wide. But look how big she is, you guys. She is so huge and so heavy. And I really love that even though she's gotten really big, I mean, we have a little bit of cracking down here by the tail, but for the most part, she's really intact. I mean, you could see the texture of her hair is really nice, and her scales are really nice. She has been in water for about 2 weeks now, you guys, and look how big she is. I just can't get over how big and heavy these are, and it seems like they're just growing and growing and growing. I had these all in some containers with lids, and they got so big that their heads started to push the lid off of the container. And besides the mermaid, we have this really pretty unicorn. It's super big, as you guys can see, super big and heavy, and it really does sit down nice. This is a dinosaur, you guys, and it is also really big and heavy. There's the dinosaur. So if you guys have been considering the Mega Grow eggs, the $3 sort of knockoff grow eggs from Five Below, if you guys have been considering them and you're just not sure if your kids are going to like them or not, I would say this is a definite yes. You will love these, your kids will love these, and the fun part is going to be, and this is something I don't think everyone does, but this is something that I really like to do. I have all my kids' grow toys that I've ever bought them during their whole childhood. And the reason I still have them is because, do you guys know that you can shrink these down? You can put them out in the sun, or you can just set them on the counter. These do shrink down. They sometimes shrink down to the original size or a tiny bit bigger than the original size. but then you can shrink them and then you can grow them again. This is not like a one-time thing. Like sometimes grow toys get so big and then they get gooey and they split and you're like, ugh, I gotta throw it out. But for the most part, all of the grow toys that I've ever found for my kids at Dollar Tree or Five Below or different places like that, I've found that you can shrink them down and grow them again, and they last for years and years and years. And then I just put all of them in a special little container once they're fully dry, and like, I just love using these over and over again. So I was really pleased with these, and this is something that I've been wanting to share with you guys, but I wanted them to grow to their total capacity. She kind of has like a little evil look on her face. I wish her face would have been a little friendlier, but all in all, I am really, really pleased with how she turned out. And all of these, I mean, I just can't tell you guys how happy I am with these. Like, I love grow toys. And I think they're so much fun, and I know you guys will love these too. Okay, I have some other things to share, so let me clean these guys up, and then I'll show you what I got next. This is another product that I got for Birdy and Gator, and we've had it for a little bit. As you guys can tell, this is pretty much a collective haul, but this is the air dry clay. It's white modeling clay, and it can be colored. The nice thing about it is that it's non-toxic, and you get 2.5 pounds. So they were pretty happy to have this for some project. I think they're making like a volcano or something. Another item that I got talked into by Birdy and Gator was this little like jump on toy. I can't remember what it's called. You inflate this part and then you put your feet here and here and you can just jump on it. They really love this. Right now it needs to be inflated. I don't think that it's been losing air, but I think just if you jump on it a whole lot over time, it does lose air. We've had this for about 3 weeks. The plastic feels really sturdy. This was $5. It's super easy and fast to inflate with like a bike pump. But yeah, you guys, I was kind of hesitant about this, but it's actually really, really sturdy, and I think it holds up to like 150 pounds, something like that, maybe 175 pounds. So if you guys have seen these and weren't really sure, I would again say this is a definite yes. It has been lasting, and it's super durable. The next thing I got were these gummy bear erasers, and I'm a total sucker for erasers. I totally don't need any more erasers, so I'm probably going to end up sharing these with the kids, you guys, but I really got them for me. I think they're so cute. We have red, pink. Do we have pink? No, we have red, orange, yellow, and green, and they all have super cute little faces on them, and we get 40 in a pack. So I kind of fell in love with these. This is by the brand Debbie Lynn. You guys, Five Below has so many $1 back to school supplies, and that's year round. They haven't released all their latest back to school supplies as of the day of me recording this video, but I am so looking forward to seeing what else they have. I love the Sandy Lion stickers that Five Below puts out, and look at these, you guys. These cactus stickers. These are sort of like 3D kind of plastic puffy stickers. You guys, I love these so much. We have succulents and various cactus. Oh, you guys, I think these are so gorgeous. Five Below has a lot of $1 stickers, $1, $2, $3, I think up to like $4 sticker books. But these were brand new by Sandy Lion. And you guys know why I had to get these, because I just love cactus and succulents so much. I think these are just so pretty. I have a few more items to share with you guys, and this is one of them, and it's going to be a little hard to show you here, but this is a $5 Lush round rug, and this is over in the room decor area. I wanted to open it up and share it with you guys. Oh, they stuck the tag. The tag was actually stuck to some of the fuzz, some of the fringe. Oh, but you guys, I really had a hard time deciding which one I wanted to get. They have a like white, oh look you guys, it's wound up on this. They had a gray and white one, and then they had this blue and white one, and I really loved both, but I decided on the blue and white because I just think the blue is so pretty. So I got this for my side of the bed, on the floor. I really like having something soft to stand on. I'm really glad I got this, and I have no idea how well it'll wash, but It really makes me happy just to touch it, and I think it might be really cute for a background too. I have some clothing to share with you guys, and I got this little dress for $5, and this is a junior's large. I had purchased a extra large pool cover up, and to be honest, it's a little bit big on me, but I just been making it work. So I figured I'd go down a size. I think this is so cute. It's just all cotton. I'm really looking forward to wearing this. I just think it's so adorable. Again, that was $5. The next shirt I got was a shirt that Birdy picked out, and this was a $5 Fruit of the Loom tee, and it says Females of the Future, and it's sort of a peachy, coral, pink sort of color, and that's all, you guys. It's just a printed tee. It has a rounded neck, and Birdy really, really liked this. We have been having a lot of fun picking out shirts from Five Below. She got one that said Run Wild, and it had sort of a vintage color rainbow on it. And then the other one also had sort of vintage colors in the rainbow, and it said California. So she has two that are kind of similar. She has a really bright, kind of like pretty tie-dye one that says Happy. I mean, I wish they had it in my size. I love that shirt, but every time I go, they only have smalls and mediums, and I don't think that's going to work. And then she also has this one, but she has been really happy with the shirts from there. They've been washing and drying really well. And so far, we're really, really pleased with the $5 tees. This one, I think, was in the back, folded up below the t-shirt wall. So if you guys are looking for this one, that's where we found it. But all right, you guys, that wraps up my Five Below haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I cannot wait to use this rug, you guys. It is just so soft and really like satisfying to touch and to pet. But anyways, you guys, I love shopping at Five Below, and I do share a lot of Five Below Shop With Me's every week, usually about 2 a week. So I hope you guys have been enjoying those. Some of you have even been requesting to see certain things, and I have been giving shout outs in my videos and showing you the things that you really want to see. But all right, you guys, that's it for me and my Five Below haul. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, share with me down in the comments below, and if you haven't yet, hit that little button to subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.